Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. I'm gonna do my makeup today, like, just so you know, so we're all aware, no surprises here. Of course the title probably implies that. Of course this channel probably implies that. I already did my hair because I'm gonna be going out today. We have things to do. So recently we went on a cruise, our first cruise, my first cruise. Loved it, so nice. Yes, we already booked our next one and I'm looking to another one after that already. Good stuff, definitely enjoyed it. I packed this cute little carry-on because it was already mostly packed from a previous weekend thing we did, so I was like, let me just add some stuff, shove this in there and get going. It is probably, like, I have two favorites. This is one of the favorites. It's not the, I don't know how to say this, like, it's, let me show you. Yeah, let me show you. So for this, it comes, like, you roll it up, kind of, I can only kind of like fold it into a roll at this point because it's full. And then you take these little straps, wrap it around. I twist them around each other just so I can make sure they kind of stay in my suitcase. But I'll take these off. And then this unrolls and you have 4 little baggies, right? Convenient, you're thinking. And yes, it is, because these little guys come off with Velcro. So, like, if I want to go ahead and just keep this in the bathroom while we're traveling, or keep this on a vanity while we're traveling, and I want to take, like, my face stuff. So I'll take my face stuff, go in the bathroom, wash my face, what have you, put it back in here, take it off, put it back on. That's it. Nothing complicated. The only thing is, like, this just has to sit somewhere. It can't, like, hang anywhere. There's no, like, I guess I can probably hang it. That does not seem safe at all. Kind of worries me, actually, but yeah, that's it. So this is what I ended up taking. I have things in here. I have, like, face stuff, face wash, serums, moisturizer, tissues. This one, I had my contacts, toothbrush, toothpaste, a lot of my face stuff, and then some, like, random skincare stuff too here. And my what do you call this, like your makeup eraser, but this is my Shop Miss A1 or my AOA Studio, yeah, AOA Studio one, which works just as good. I don't know if you've seen that video. Do I have a video like that? I think I do. Go check that out because just as good. I love this. I'm actually, like, the day after we came back, I still have on, like, my cute little merch from where we went. Love it. Very warm and cozy, by the way. But this is not only a let me show you how I did my face while I was out on a cruise, but let me unpack my bag, get some things cleaned so we can move on with my life. Yeah. And without further ado, let me pull back my hair, which I usually did with a hair clip every morning because it was a lot easier, but my hair looks kind of nice today, so I don't want to, like, destroy her with a hair clippy right now. I did keep with me these two that I've been using, like, non-stop, and I'm almost out of both of them. I'm kind of a little worried, but these I kept in, like, my purse. I totally forgot I had these, but I do have, oh, come here, a bunch of makeup in here that I could use. Don't necessarily need to because it was very, like, overcasty. We were inside a lot, so kept it simple, kept it minimal with the Shiseido Ultimate Sun Protector Lotion SPF, or no, it doesn't even say SPF, it just says 50 plus. Oh, it does. Broad Spectrum SPF 50 plus. I love this. If you've seen this video, you know I love this. And then my Fenty Beauty Ease Drops in the shade 2. Yeah, 2. So I kind of combine these two together. Let me show you. Nothing on my sleeves except for what's on my arm. So I take this, squeeze it out. I do the 2 fingers, right? 2 fingers. And then I come in with the Ease Drops. And this is like, let's pretend I just washed my face because I did, but a while ago, so I have moisturizer on. But wash my face, come in with the EAZE drops, and just do a smidge on top. That's it. Nothing fancy, nothing too crazy. 2 fingers. And then make sure there's nothing on my neck, because I do take this down to my neck. See, we got some color here. And I do this with my hands. Oh boy. Okay. And then the next thing I do is I come in with this. I don't know if I want to do this now because you're not supposed to talk while you have this on. But I would come... This is the lip liner Stain by SACHEU in the shade Pink, number 3. Super good stuff. I'll put it on a little later. That way I can talk you through everything else I do. Because this I like to put on pretty thick. Like not a thick line, but like a thick layer, and then let it sit for 10 minutes while I do the rest of this. So let me go through and show you the rest of this. So this is from EVIO Beauty. It's the Velvet Contour, or excuse me, Velvet Color Stick. I'm used to everything being a contour stick. And the shade is Where You Can. Love this. Bought this forever ago. And like when I tell you, she stays in like my purse and all of my travel things all the time. She is a go-to. She's a favorite. She is the icon. She is the moment. And I just come in with my fingers. For those of you wondering, I do have a beauty sponge I did use once. Yeah, once. But for the most part, just my fingers are fine. Especially because I'm just doing this either on a vanity or right next to a sink in the bathroom. Easy peasy. Patta patta. And I know it looks a little thick right now, but when I tell you, she like soaks in, mingles, melds very well with pretty much anything you put her on. She does. Then we come in with my eyeliner. Let me get a mirror because I cannot see that far. No, I don't have my contacts on today. This is like the cutest little liner. It's a super waterproof, which like I've never tested it, but she says she does. It's the Heroine Make. She's brown. She's gorgeous. And she's got like the brush tip. Oh, when I tell you, she's so beautiful. Watch. Yeah, I know. Nothing complicated. Simple. That's it. Nothing fancy. And the other side. Okay. So there's that. And then while that dries, which it does dry pretty quick, I come in with my Rare Beauty eyebrow pencil. That's annoying. Alright. So while that dries, which it does dry pretty quick, I come in with my Rare Beauty eyebrow pencil. Hello. Do you have a shade name on here? Just for funsies? Brown, Cool Brown. My favorite, by the way. I do have another one by SHISEIDO that I like. This one takes the cake. So yeah, I have 3 backups of her, 2 of which I use in my office and in my bathroom and when I take with me. I love her. Nothing too big. I do come in with a little bit of color on the bottom. Kind of establish that line. Color it in a smidge. Like drop off some product in the brow. And then I brush it up. So I kind of blend it all in. Because my brows are my brows. They're gonna do what they want. Yeah, no. Simple, quick, kind of easy. I mean, it might take some time to get used to, but that's totally cool. I do that. That's me. Then, oh, where is she? Where are you? They're not too. Oh, I still have them in my purse. So these two I kept in my purse, and I also have one of my KAJA little triple bento yummies in my purse as well. And I use that one because it's just full of sparkles. Like this, I'm pretty sure it's just Viva Shine. But I'm like, these have got to be a highlighter kind of. Ugh. I was trying to open them all to show you. It's not working. Okay, give me this, give me this. Give me this. Okay. So this one specifically is more of like a little highlighter, like chunky glitter, smooth glitter, middle between glitter. But this is more of like a highlighter kind of little bento doodle. The other one that I have, it's much smaller and it's specifically for eyeshadow. But there's sparkle. No, there's glitter, sparkle, matte. Those are the three ones in there. And I've been using that like the whole time. So for today, I'm going to come in with this middle one, which I don't know if you can tell, I have a favorite. And again, just my finger, nothing fancy. And we tap it, top of the whole eyelid. Okay, dokay. And then I go between these two. I'll either apply my mascara and then my setting spray, or setting spray and then mascara. But today I'm going to do mascara setting spray because I've been doing that more and I find I like it a little bit. So we're going to do that. Let me come in here. I also applied this lippy, and it's been 10 minutes. The easiest way for me to take this off, I don't talk the whole time I have it on, but the easiest way is just to smile or open your mouth wide and it just comes off. You can yoink it. That's it. Nothing complicated, nothing. Don't you dare fall. And make sure you put it in the trash, because if this goes on the counter, like the little pieces I pulled off, if it goes on the counter and then gets wet, it like reactivates it. Don't do that. And right now I just did a very light like line stain because I do have chapstick on. You're supposed to do it on dry, not dry, clean lips, clean moisturized lips, which to me doesn't. Anywho, this is almost it. Ooh, I gotta come in with this guy. Tried and true, ride or die, my baby girl right here. Do I have, yeah, let's do this. And then depending on how I wanted to finish this off, I come in with different lippies. I had like, well, if you've seen my what's in my purse video, I have a lot. So I come in, right now this is the Revlon Juicy Peptide Lip Balm in Latte. And oh, it's like a caramel latte. I'm not a fan of the smell, but the feel and the look is gorgeous. But this is it. This is the whole thing. This is all I did. Didn't take me that long. 10-15 minutes. Well, like the lippy on its own, or the lip liner stain on its own, 10 minutes. But the rest of this, hello easy, right? And then because of this, it stayed all day. We ended up going to a port, got off, because we were told the night before it's gonna rain in the afternoon towards the evening. We went, bottom of the ship, got off, sprinkling. And I was like, okay. Like, put my hood on, sprinkled for the majority of that time. We were out and about. We had to go to little shops, hide under their awning. But that, I swear, that kept my makeup on. So yeah, good stuff. This is it. Yeah, pretty simple, pretty easy. Do you guys do the same stuff when you go on vacation, or do you do like the full beat? And I did think about doing a full beat for, what do you call it? It wasn't a formal night, it was a tropical night. They had it like for dinner. And I did not. Oh well, but this is it. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments what you guys do when you go on trips, vacations. Do you take like your whole setup? Do you like break it down? Because I mean, like, I have minis of everything just in case, like foundation, concealer, CC cream, some of this setting spray, some of this primer, like just in cases. I brought it all, but like in mini form. But I feel like this did a pretty good job. No sunburn, stayed nice the whole time. Yeah, I enjoyed it, and I do enjoy this look now. I'm gonna go. Thanks for hanging out though. I will catch you in the next video. Bye.